You ready?
Yeah, let's go. Cover the woods.
Yep.
Cover the woods.
Deland, I think they're talking about a different car, right? In district.
Clear. All right, AJ.
They ran right up this hill.
Ran right here.
45 Central car clear.
Let's do it now. Come out with your hands up. Get out here with your hands up. You're getting dog bit. Stellan. Get your hands up. Come out right now. AJ, come over here and get control. Live.
Come to me. Come to me.
Yes, sir.
Both hands up.
Yes, sir.
And can I talk? You in the back, stop. You up front, stop. Walk to me. Walk to me up front. You stay put. Turn away from me. Turn away from me. Get down on the ground. Actually, no, keep coming back. 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 Stop. Get down on the knee.
Keep them hands up. Yes, sir.
You got him?
Yep, got him.
Let me see your hands up over your head. Do not move, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Stand up. Yep, right here. Sit down. Sit down.
Come on, belly.
On your stomach.
Get on your belly and flop your feet. You understand? No, you stay where you're at.
Come on. Right here. Lay down on the ground. On the ground. Hands up. Keep your hands up. Lay down on your belly. Now. On your stomach. Get on your stomach now. Cross your feet. Hands above your head. Don't move. Hold them.
Drop it. Do not move.
He's 45. That was over near where we went in. Do me a favor. Get out of your vehicle. Go around the right side of that retention pond. And you define
Roll over. Roll up. Roll up? Yeah. Right, just right here. You stay put.
I don't know if anybody can drive through it. We'll walk them across the retention pond.
All right, you